Hey guys. So, that was one of those neat little math tricks. We got like just a few more days of math. Figured might as well throw it out there at you. So, just figured I'd share that with you. Hopefully, you guys got the answer to three. I picked number 22, my lucky number, and I still got three as my answer. So, today we are going to begin our little statistics section. So, the next 3 days, measure dispersion, use data to problem solve, and then probability, and then we're going to have our final test this Friday. So let's just kind of jump right in here. Find the median and mean of the following data sets. Okay, so the median is your middle number. So in order to do these, you have to go from least to greatest, which we have right here. So median for the first one is just 7. Okay, like the number in the middle. Boom, got it. Meanwhile, the mean is when you add them all up and you divide by how many there are. So 5 plus 7 plus 10. Divide that answer by 3. 7.33 is going to be your mean. Alrighty? So again, let's take a look here. Now, the one thing that can get tricky with medians is the middle number. Well, the middle number, I don't have an odd number over here like I did before. I have even. So what's between 5 and 7? The answer, of course, is 6. Our mean, add them all up and divide by 4. So we've got negative 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 12. Divide that by 4, 5.25. And finally, median, mean. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write everything out. So 2, 2, 5, 8, 10, 14, 19. So our median, we have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Fourth one over. There's my 8. There's your median. I can add all these together. 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 10 plus 14 plus 19. Divide that by, how many do I have there again? 7. Okay, which gives us 8.57. Alrighty, cool. So, now the next thing here says, suppose there was a fight after school. Everyone came to watch, but the cops showed up, so the kids dispersed. Think West Side Story. What does it mean for the kids dispersed? To scatter, okay, to move around, to get away, to go different places, okay? So measures of dispersion are values that measure the spread of data sets. We will use box and whisker plots and stem and leaf plots to summarize the display measures of dispersion. Okay, so the first one we're going to take a look at is a box and whisker plot. This one's actually kind of nice. You can do this on the calculator. You can do this one by hand. It's actually pretty easy to do by hand. So we're going to take a look at it here. Organize data from ascending order. Find the 5-number summary, which is over here. We'll talk about it in a minute. Scale and label axis. Place lines each value for the 5-number summary, and then draw a box around Q1 and Q3. Draw whiskers from Q1 to min and Q3 to max. Okay. So the min is your smallest number. Q1 is the median of the first half of the data. Q2 is your median of the entire data set. Q3 is the median of the second half of the data. Max is your maximum, your highest number. When finding Q1 through Q3, do not include your median. Okay, and that's important as well. And we also have something called interquartile range, which is like you're taking your Q3 minus Q1, which you'll see at some point. So here, I'm going to rewrite all of this out. 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 17. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Awesome. So I need 5 things. I need my, I'm going to go ahead and come over here. We need min, Q1, Q2, Q3, max. Min and max are really easy to find. What's your smallest number? 4. Got it. What's your highest number? 17. Got it. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my median is between 6 and 7. So 6.5. That's your Q2. Okay, right in here. There's your Q2. Now your Q1 is the median of the first half of the data set. So I like to cover it up. Look at your first half of the data set, 4, 5, 5, 6. The median there is between 5 and 5, which gives me 5. And the median of your second half of data set is between 8 and 8, which is 8. So I'm going to make a number line. Okay, here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. Okay. Just keep this going. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right. Your min is, well, we're going to start with a Q1 and Q3. Q1 is at 5. And draw a line right there. Q2 is at 6.5. And Q3 is 8. So close off that box. There's your box. All right. Your min and your max, your min is 4. That's one of your whiskers. And your max is 17. That's your other whisker. Extend it out here. And you've got yourself your box and whisker plot constructed correctly. Okay, so as far as the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So for this particular box and whisker, your interquartile range, IQR, is equal to 3. Okay, so just be a heads up because you might see that again. All right, so down here is just another example. All right, on to the back. How to construct a stem and leaf plot. Okay, put data in ascending order. Divide the digits from each data values into 2 parts, stem and leaf. Align all stems in a vertical column in ascending order. Draw a vertical line to the right of the stems. Place the leaves with the same stem on the same row as the stem, then arrange the leaves in ascending order. Use a key to indicate the magnitude of the numbers in the display title. The table below shows the number of medals that top 25 countries earned during 2012 Olympics in London. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea here. All right, so you got an ascending order. It's just going backwards, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so like 10, 11, all the way up. So how this looks, 10 would be represented by 1, 0. Okay, I have 2 of those, so you put 2 zeros. Then I have an 11, 1, 1. Then you have a 12, 2, 2. 2 of those. 3 threes, 13s, I mean. A 4, a 7, a 7, 7, and an 8. Okay, so a lot of them right there. All right. Then your 20s. 20, I have 2s at 20s, 0, 0. I have 2 28s, so 8 and 8. Cool. 3, 4, 5, 8. All right. 44, 65, 82, and 7. Okay. So what you've done is it's just a way to rearrange your data so that it looks a little bit more, organized and better to work with. Okay, now as far as don't forget to include a key, all you want to do is off to the side here, put something like this. 1/0 represents 10 medals. Okay, that lets the person that views this over here make sense of it. Alrighty. So what have we accomplished here? We took a look at box and whisker. We took a look at stem and leaf. Okay, now this very last one here, what I'd like you guys to do is I'd like you guys to create yourself your own box and whisker and your own stem and leaf plot. Now I will give you guys, let me see here, one last thing to leave you with, okay? And you can actually use a calculator for this, so I want to show you. If you come to a calculator and you see this list button, it says list. I just literally hit it. Stat, okay? Actually, stat button. If you hit stat, you can come to edit. If you hit edit, you can come to L1 and you can actually type in all of your data right here. So 23.2, 23.9, 18.6, okay, 18.8. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a second just so I can input the rest of the data. Okay, once you have everything in here, all the data input into your list, what you can do, and this is something that if you want, take your time working through this because it's a lot of button hitting, but it will work. If I hit second stat plot, so I hit the blue button, I'll show you again. I'll get out of here quick. I hit second quit. After you get everything in your list, second y equals. You can hit enter on the first one here. And this will turn on your box and whisker plot. Now, if you notice, I turned on, and I came down here to type. You see this middle one, bottom middle? If you click on that one, it'll change it to list 1, which is what you just put all your lists in. Okay? Now, if I hit graph, you'll notice that I don't see anything. Like I can't see anything, nothing really works here. So what you want to do is you want to look, what's my highest number that I have in my entire data set? I think it's 24. So if you come to window, change my X max to something bigger than that. I'm going to go 35 and hit graph again. It pulls up your box and whisker plot. Now, even cooler than that, can you guys see this trace button right here? If I hit trace, it puts a cursor on your 5-number summary. It does it all for you. So your min, 17, Q1, 18.8, Q2 or your median, 20.1, Q3, 23.1, and max, 24.6. That takes a little bit of use to get like with the button pushing, but if you'd like, reset this video, like replay it back, check it out. You get the idea. But try out this last problem here on your own. Get some time at the end of class, we'll go through it. Again, good luck. We're all counting on you.